And just real quick, guys, I've been having so many problems with MetaMask and CryptoKitties lately. I'm actually going to be doing Ethereum giveaways for every video now. So, no more CryptoKitties. Just leave your Ethereum address down below for a chance to win randomly. And if you were a winner of one of the previous videos, if you wouldn't mind, actually, I'll just go back and get all the names and send you guys some Ethereum. And if you want a chance to win, just comment down below and I'll pick a random winner tomorrow morning when the next video is made. Alright guys, enjoy this video. Hey guys, what is up? Redneck Crypto coming at you with another daily update. Today is January 7th, 2018. Current market cap is $828 billion. That is insane. The current 24-hour volume is $44.5 million, and the Bitcoin dominance is kind of holding around 33%. So Bitcoin has about 1/3 dominance as of now. Bitcoin's kind of pulled back a little bit since it was hitting at 17,000 mark. It's pulled it back about $500 or so. Ripple's actually gone back up, which is pretty surprising for a lot of people to see. I still personally feel it's a little overextended, but you can never really tell in this market. It's not very rational. But Ripple is up another 8%, putting it at $3.33 or 36 cents, excuse me. And Ethereum with another real strong day, pulling up 9.45%, breaking over 1,135 and holding there pretty strongly. Ethereum has really been pushing lately to take back that #2 position if Ripple were to have stopped really pushing up, but with Ripple having another pretty good day, Ethereum catching up will take more time. Bitcoin Cash holding at about 2,898. It's been pretty unsteady lately, going up about 100 and then going down about $100 within a couple hours, but that is at a 4.81% gain for the day. Cardano is really just holding at that $1 line the past couple of days. Not much movement really. And NIM has seen some good movement again today. It's broke $1.79 and moved up a couple positions, I believe, in the leaderboards here. I believe it has just passed Litecoin, and it is currently worth $16 billion. Litecoin has just gone down and down, not necessarily in price, but in position on this board lately. We've just seen so many huge runners in Litecoin. Really, even though it's so crazy to think, it was literally like $100 at the beginning of December, and now Litecoin's $300, and it's still not even really that far up the list now. I think it's gone further in down direction. It's crazy to think about. It's like 3x gains aren't enough to stay in the top 5 now. IOTA pushing up pretty strong today. It's been holding about $4 even, but now it's pushed up about 37 cents with a 10% gain for the day. Tron's kind of leveling out after its little pullback to 16 cents, holding at about $11 billion with 1.4 billion total volume traded in the past 24 hours. That's a lot of volume. That's really, in reality, the 5th most traded at this time. Actually, QTUM, they would be the 5th, and Tron would be the 6th. I didn't see them down there, but if you're not familiar with what Tron is, I have recently done a video on YouTube going pretty in depth on what Tron is, and that video will be in the description box below if you want to see that. I'm also planning on doing videos for individual coins, more like that. I'm probably going to start with top big movers right now, the top 10. So maybe IOTA, NIM, Cardano, Ethereum, Ripple, things like that. Maybe not necessarily that order, but pretty in-depth videos on what they are, because it's always good to know what you're investing in. And let's see what some big movers for today are still. Dash pulling up pretty strong at 1300. Monero's holding really good, about to break 500 here soon, which I believe will be a new record high possibly. Let's take a look here. No, it's not a new record high, but it will be. Well, yeah, it is actually. I was looking at the BTC to XMR. Let's look at the past month. Green being the price, 479. Yeah, looks like it's new all-time highs right now. So if you're on Monero, good on you, making that money. Roblox kind of pulled back pretty hard. Actually really hard. 10% always sucks to see. Icons moved up 30%. Lisk 18%. BitConnect down 11%. Populous up 27%, man. Holy freaking cow. This is like 40 bucks yesterday or the day before. Probably yesterday. That is insane. You see that graph just kind of bouncing a little bit and then whoop. Binance Coin doing really, really well for itself lately. I'm glad I have quite a few of these for the purpose of these is to lower your fees basically when trading on Binance. Yeah, so back in like December they were only like $2 each really, and then when I bought most of mine they were about $4, and now it's gone up to 20 at some point, which is insane. Really it is. Binance is becoming one of the top traded exchanges right now, total volume wise. Let's see what Dentacoin's gone up 107%. KuCoin shares, that is a new exchange I believe that has gone up 71%. Let me just double check. It's actually all the way up to the price of one BNB token, but I'm assuming their total supply is much higher. Not really much higher. Just 8 million lower. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. And then, okay. Yeah, so KuCoins is a new exchange site. I haven't really done much research on this. I might end up signing up or seeing if I even can in the US and doing a video on that. Let's see here. Any other big movers of the day? Kyber Network, Salt's holding steady about $13. PAX kind of stopped its big pump. Nothing else real major for today. There hasn't really been any big news for the day either. Ethereum seems like it might be picking up, pulling 37 cents per Ethereum token. This is, I believe, a lending platform where you can either loan your funds out to someone and accrue interest, or in fact get loans yourself. Yeah, peer-to-peer lending on Ethereum blockchain. That's exactly what I thought it was. Yeah, thanks. That's having some nice movements here, like it's taken off. Alright, so for the news I wanted to cover today, Overstock. This happened 2 days ago, but I missed this. Overstock got $100 million from Suro's fund for blockchain and more. This title's a little misleading. It's they're receiving $80 million for their funds for their e-commerce platform, and then $20 million for blockchain discovery, innovation, things like that, research. Also, we can see an Xed iced tea maker, long blockchain, is buying Bitcoin miners now. It's interesting. And really, there hasn't been much at all in the last 2 days news-wise that I've been able to find on a couple different sites. But that's pretty much it for today. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to check out some KuCoin real quick and possibly do a video on that in the future, so be looking forward to that. And I'll see you guys later.